If you have any kind of earbuds and in-ear headphones that the sound amplitude is decreased or it makes noise, in 90% cases it's a clogged filter that you can replace it so easily as I will show you in this video. Please watch, and if you liked, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I will play a music, and by using a sound meter app I will show you that one of these earbuds doesn't work properly. This one makes about 70 decibel, and this one, as you can see, the maximum is about 50. So this one doesn't work correctly. Let's do our job. This one was okay. The right side was, and the one that had problem. I will try to open from this side by using a needle. Keep in mind that you just need to open from this side. There is dirt here, and the dirt is the exact reason of our problem. So we should remove the dirt and of course the dirt behind this metal. Doesn't need much force, and do it gently. As you can see, it was removed easily. Without the cover, it works fine. The problem is that this filter, this black filter, is clogged, and I will show you how to replace it with something else. First, let me to remove this one. You can see the dirt. It's not a special filter, and I will use a mask to replace the filter. Well, it may need a little glue, but I don't use it because I know that some months later I will do it. I have to do it again. So I just push it to be firmed.